guys? It's the BoostDistrict channel. Today's the day. We're gonna be taking our ERAY to the track and also the giveaway Caprice. It lives and it's on a dyno. It's making a lot of power and you guys are gonna see how much power it makes and how it sounds. You can win that car by going to our website and going buy merch. Every $5 you spend is an entry. The ERAY though, it's ready. It's gone no prep racing as you guys saw in the last video. We didn't touch it. We just changed the oil, put some spark plugs in it, do some maintenance, ready to drive to the track, hopefully run an 8 and drive back home. That car, let's go take a look at it. She's ready and she's spicy. It looks really good with all the things that we've done to it. Let me turn the fan off real quick. Let's look at it together. Has our full wire tuck on the engine bay and looks really clean. It has some nice AN fittings on the heat exchanger. It's got the BoostDistrict 4-inch intake and of course the LSA supercharger that we have here that is available on our site. This thing is ready to go and I'm very excited to show you guys how much power it makes. This thing has a Circle D converter and it's on a drag pack, so we're not trying to really shoot for big power today. I think you guys are going to be happy on how fast this thing runs. The beautiful thing about this is nothing is specially made. Everything here is a catalog on our website, so if you guys want to see anything here that you like, you can you can go to the site, order it, and you can put it in your Caprice, G8, SS, or any LS swap just from the engine, the supercharger, and anything around it. Could be you. So let's jump into it. I love the exhaust setup in this thing. The exhaust, the blower, such a badass car. It really brings me back to the old days of me building these things. I love it. All right, I'm gonna be asking you guys a very important question in the end of this video. It's probably the most important question I've ever asked you guys in this whole channel's history. I want you guys to stay till the very end. You have to. It means a lot to me and it means a lot to you guys too. It's gonna make a big difference on what this giveaway is gonna turn out with your questions being answered in the comment section below. Every single one of you, I need you guys to comment. I have a very important question at the end of this video. Stay tuned till the very end, or you can just fast forward to the very end and just answer the question once I ask it. So please, it's a very important announcement to watch the video and see what it does in here in the track and also hear my question and answer them. So please go down to the comment section below as soon as you watch this video. I need to hear all of your answers. Let's get back to this video. Back to back, so it's definitely down on power, at least 50 wheel. And it's on a drag pack, it's running some power too, but this thing will definitely be making some power in the track. Let's go make a couple more pulls till it's just done. And if we go drive it in the track and we'll see how she does. You drop on the site, look at this. Daniel just brought this here. You can buy this on the website now too. Every single car at least BoostDistrict will have this. Also all the supercharger kits. So air freshener. Yep. And license plate covers, so perfect.
We got black ice and we have grape scented.
Oh, two scents?
Yep.
Let me smell this thing. Let's go make our final pass with the Caprice and see how much power it makes fully done on our session. We're gonna take this car and we're also gonna be taking the ERAY, and hopefully I take the record for the ERAY for the first one to go 8s. We are currently the world record holder for that, but I really want to go 8s. If it doesn't go 8s, I might shoot some nitrous to it. I don't know. But anyways, let's go make this pull. Let's go load up for the track and make some power and have some fun. It's gonna be a chill day today. Jamie's coming, a couple other people are coming for race street car takeover prep. All right, that looks good. 650 wheel, drag pack on the dyno, rubbing some power, and it's hot. So I'll take that. Final numbers on this build, 662, 713. We have a big tire and also a converter, so it's gonna be limiting us, especially with the heat. It's heat soaked, So I'm not really too worried about it. Let's call it 700 wheel on a good variables and things. So not a problem. The engine itself dynoed 538 crank horsepower on the engine dyno. So adding about 210, 220 wheel horsepower. I'll take that as a win. Now the dyno can say whatever it says, but let's talk about the track numbers. That's what really matters to me. And that's what really shows how much power the car makes. Next thing, let's go to the track and let's see how this thing does. Yeah, I'm really excited for it. Are you excited, Diego?
Yes, sir.
Let's go hit it. Let's go. We just got here to the track. We're gonna go unload the E-Ray. All the other cars are here. We're running 2 Caprices, C706 for testing, and then we got the E-Ray. We know the goal for that. First one to go 8s. Let's go try. Got some hydration, got food. Let's get in the car and let's see what it can do. Out, we went 913 at 157. We're definitely onto the right track. I tried launching it harder the first time out and it didn't leave. So we reversed back and we tried again in our regular lead, and it obviously went A to B. It went pretty much the same way as last time. So we're gonna make some changes. This is the exact same tune I drove out of here, drove to Texas Motor Speedway and ran no prep and won and drove here. So we haven't made a change. We literally just iced it down and went A to B in the exact same way. Pretty freaking impressive if you ask me, on the exact same tune. Now we're gonna add some power in it, add a little bit more different things into it, and see if we can go even faster. All right, I'm about to make the first pass on the giveaway car. We ran on the dyno, now it's here. I drove it, I had to look between the ME and the .com. So I got good vision with my helmet on. Let's see how she does.
So broken. Is that some bull? They need the mile an hour, but they ain't bull. How do you win? Hell no.
10.9 at 411. That doesn't make any sense.
At what?
10.9.
Yeah. At 4 miles an hour.
Yeah. So first pass out, 10.9. That's awesome. And you can win this car. You can win a 10-second car. We're not even leaning on it. When you win it, we can give you all the sauce. But I want you to win it in good condition. So we're gonna make a couple more passes, make a couple changes, but it's pretty healthy. Let's see. Give you guys the data here. 11 pounds of boost, E85, not leaving hard, 10.9. I love it. Keep going more. getting a little discouraging. 9.11 at 156. This car desperately needs our RPM patch that we haven't had time to put on. We probably should have tested it in this car instead of the Stingray, but got so much left on the table. I'm probably gonna try something different this pass. Not even gonna change the tune on it. I'm just gonna try and change it myself and see how it goes. We'll get there, I promise. Maybe not today, but I know how to get there. We just need to get there. It's right there. 903 at 158. Let me show you that, Sam. What's better? Here we go. 903 at 158. It's definitely making some progress. I got one more trick to throw at it today. And if it doesn't work, we're gonna go home, put our DCT patch, and keep the power the exact same, and it'll do the trick. So, let's see. All right, this is so cool. This car just went 10.95 and 10.90 on its first time out. Skipped the 12s, skipped the 11s, went right to the 10s. What a cool build. Super simple setup. 408, LSA, E85, 11 pounds of boost. And it's in a very conservative tune that you can drive anywhere. We're gonna drive both of these cars home tonight. They both drove here. They both ran a lot, and they're both going home. That's just a testament. It's a really good value on what you're gonna be getting to win this car. To the ERAY, we went 9.11, 9.12, 9.039, and 9.038. We're really knocking on that 899 mark, and I'm sure once we get there, we're just gonna steam rail through it and get to the 8.8s, 8.7s down the road. There's a couple changes I want to make. We gotta put our DCT patch in it, and we're also gonna put our bigger injectors. We've been working with Nostrum and incorporating bigger injectors in that car. That's on stock LT4 injectors, believe it or not. So, and no port injection, it's all DI only. So we're gonna put that together and come on out with more power and just steamroll right through it. So that's got a lot of ways to go. The Caprice, comment down below. Do you guys want to see it go faster? If you do, put some ideas down below. You want to see a more blower? You want to see a more boost in the same setup that it has? Or what do you guys have in mind? Like just a basic throttle body and intake. It will even pick up power. So these both are badass builds, and the Caprice could be yours. Like this merch right here. Look at this. So cool. The Caprice shirt is available on the website. That's really cool. There's a lot of Easter eggs in that. I talked about it in the previous video. So thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate the support. Please like and subscribe. If you have not entered the giveaway, please make sure you're going to the website and filling out the form if you want to do the free entry. If you want to buy merch, every $5 you spend is an entry. So thank you guys for everything. We're really enjoying the content. Throw down below and talk to us and see what you guys think. All right, here's the big moment that we've been waiting for. You guys have seen it run. It ran at 10.9. Easy. like not even trying to push it. We made 2 passes and we loaded it back home and off she went. It made 650 wheel to the wheels. It made 650 horsepower to the wheels, and she's done. The main question that I have now that I've been teasing you guys with is, do we want more power? We definitely can flex a lot more in the LSA, but we just released this brand new 3-liter Whipple for the LSs. We've been working with Whipple for the last few months on perfecting these kits, and it's an LSA replacement, and it also is a kit for all the trucks and the LS and LT. Do you guys want to see this in this Caprice? The main thing is though, if we do this, if we do this, we are gonna be giving this LSA away for the 2nd place winner on their giveaway. So, 1st place winner will win the car with the Whipple, the BoostDistrict Whipple. 2nd place will win the LSA. But for that to happen, I'm probably gonna have to extend the giveaway for a couple weeks. If you guys think that's a good idea and want to see a lot more power and really flex on this Whipple in this car, let us know. I want to hear in the comment section below to see what you guys think of this setup together. I really want to see it. Do you guys want to see it? They want to see it bad. Diego, do you want to see it?
Yep.
I like to see it. So, but it has to make sense for you guys. The car is done and making a lot of power and already ready to go. But if you guys are willing to extend the giveaway for a couple weeks and see this in here, and you guys win also the giveaway for the LSA, comment down below. Let's hear it. Do you want to see it as is, or do you want to put the Whipple and the Caprice? I want to hear everybody. You gotta comment, because there's the biggest question I've asked this channel. It's a lot of money on my end. I'm putting a lot of my life savings in this, so it's better works out. So comment down below, like and subscribe. Please share this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.